What is an electric circuit?
An electric circuit is a closed loop or pathway that allows electricity to flow. It typically includes sources like batteries, conductive wires, and components such as bulbs or motors. When the circuit is complete, electricity moves from the power source through the connected parts and back, making devices work. If the loop is broken, the flow of electricity stops.
How electricity flows?
Electricity flows through a circuit as electric current. This current is carried by electrons moving through wires made of materials like copper. The movement starts at the positive side of the power source, travels through the circuit, and returns to the negative side. Good conductors make movement easy, while insulators prevent unwanted flow.
The role of the switch?
A switch controls whether a circuit is open or closed. When you flip a switch on, you close the circuit, allowing electricity to flow and power the device. When you turn it off, the circuit opens and the flow stops. This simple mechanism is essential in safely controlling electrical devices at home and in technology.
Understanding series and parallel circuits.
Circuits can be set up in series or parallel. In a series circuit, electricity flows in a single path. If one part fails, the whole circuit stops working. In a parallel circuit, there are multiple paths, so if one part fails, the others can still work. This difference is key in designing reliable systems.
Why electric circuits matter?
Electric circuits power our world, from lighting homes to running computers. Understanding their basics helps explain how flipping a switch makes light appear, or how devices operate safely and efficiently. Whether simple or complex, circuits are at the heart of modern life, showing the practical magic of electricity.